Hey Anthony, it was great talking to you earlier. This is Devin. Thank you for watching my video. Just showing you 3 easy ways you can beat your competition online starting today. You're probably wondering why I'm making you this video, and it's simple. There's a lot of small business owners out there that are spending all their time running their business, taking care of their customers, and they don't have the time to learn how to make the internet work for them and bring in more customers. And typically the only thing holding them back from hiring a marketing agency is they don't know who is an expert and who is not an expert. So I found that by making these attack plans and just giving them away for free, a lot of business owners still end up raising their hands going, you know what, Devin, I like you, just take care of this for me. So if at the end of this all you see I've got some tricks in my sleeve and you want me to help you out with this, give me a call and we can chat. If you want to do this yourself, that's totally okay. This is completely free education. There's no strings attached. I'm just trying to help business owners. What I'm going to tell you about today is going to be content, backlinks, and citations. So the first tip is content. And that's everything on the front page of your website that Google looks through to determine what keywords to rank you for and where to rank you for those keywords. And keywords are just terms that people search into Google to find your business. So for you, it'd be like cleaning services in Austin, maids in Austin, stuff like that. Now, Google wants you to have 1,500, 2,000 words on your website. Sometimes people will even do like 3,000, 4,000 words to really be, authoritative, because content is king. But also, that includes all the text you can read, as well as all the text behind your images, as well as whatever your images are saved as. So, let's check out your website. So, Anthony, this is a great looking website. I know you know that, but this is like an absolutely gorgeous website. We want to make sure it's powered up, but the views are great. Unfortunately, Google does not rank you based off of how good your website looks. Google can only crawl through and basically pull apart words, pull apart numbers, stuff like that. So what they do is they just take your whole website, put it into a document, scrub everything out, and clean it up, and they look at the data on the background, which is why images do count. So, let's see, this image, you want to have this saved as, cleaning services Austin cleaning services, because Google will rank you for that kind of stuff. And as far as content goes, you probably have about 150 words on this front page. Google's going to want you to have about 1,500 to 2,000. Let me show you your main competitors. You got Austin's Maid service. They don't have 1,500. They probably have like 400. But again, you're going to blow them out of the water with your 1,500. And then Maids and Moore, probably 200 to 300. 1,500 words are going to blow them out of the water. So that's my first tip for you, Anthony. Change your image names to keywords you want. Excuse me. And then you also want to add about 1,500, 2,000 words. The next thing I'm going to talk to you about is going to be backlinks. Google's like a popularity contest, and look at how many other websites are linking to you, driving traffic to you. And not all links are created equal. You get a lot more power from other cleaning companies linking to you than you would from like Pizza Hut linking to you. Obviously, you're not a pizza company. Google knows this. So I use the tool to check this out. It's pretty cool. It's called Ahrefs. Costs me about $1,000 a month, but it allows me to tear apart your whole website and literally see what's going on in the back end. So it says you have 5 websites linking to you. It says you have 7 backlinks, and it says the website just started not that long ago. Like June is when you started running this, which is great. Glad to see you're getting some online presence. I don't know how long the business has been around, but that's good to see. Not a bad start. I'll show you what you're up against. So Austin's Maid service and Maids and Moore. Austin's Maid service has 100 websites linking to them, 106. And Maids and Moore has 386 websites linking to them. So you want to beat them out. Let's just say you went after Austin's Maid service alone. You'd only have to get another 101 to match them, but you really want to dominate them, so I'd say another 125. And the best way to do that is just copy your competitors' links. If it works to rank them, it'll work to rank you. These I'm not sure about, but like maidservice.com, maidservicesomething.com, housecleaning.com. These are ones that Google will recognize, like, oh, hey, this is definitely a popular house cleaning company. I should probably be ranking them higher up. And you can do this person after person. But here's the big win. Look how much traffic these guys are getting. 1.1 thousand. That's what 386 websites. But look at what 106 websites is getting them. 937 people a month going to their website. That's the kind of business you want. That's how you grow really rapidly. That's how you have a sustainable business and achieve the dreams you want. Last thing I'll tell you about, Anthony, is going to be citations. When somebody types in cleaning services Austin and they're ready to buy, they're going to call the first cleaning company that shows up that seems trustworthy. You obviously want to be that cleaning company because those are the easiest customers to close. Many people skip these ads because they've had bad experiences or they just have ad blockers. And so where you want to rank yourself is in the Google My Business section. To get here, you need more citations than your competitors, and citations are wherever your name, your address, and your phone number are listed in different directories across the web, like Yelp, Yext, Yellow Pages, White Pages, Facebook, Angie's List, Home Advisor. These are all really common ones. The great strategy here is to figure out what directories your competitors are in, list yourself in those same directories, and add a bunch more on top. I always recommend adding 30 to 40% more to give yourself a nice space cushion. So once you take that #1 spot, it takes them a long time to catch up to you. You maybe have to do an hour or two work per month, adding a couple of citations to continue to hold that #1 spot and keep getting all those easy close customers. That's all I got for you, Anthony. I hope you found this informative. What I went over today was content. I would definitely recommend getting your website up to 1,500 to 2,000 words and stuff that with the keywords that you're targeting, such as like cleaning services in Austin. Backlinks. You're doing great as far as like the start of your website and the look of it. You just want to make sure you obviously add more backlinks and just copy your competitors and put a lot more on top. If it works to rank them, it'll definitely rank you. And last thing is copy your competitors' citations as well, and then add a bunch more on top. And you can do this before fixing your website. So Anthony, if you want to do this yourself, again, this is free education. There's no strings attached whatsoever. I'm just happy to see small business owners thrive. All I ask you, give me a sentence of response to the email to let me know what you thought about the video. If you want me to help you, give us a call. Our phone number is 214-441-6737. Looking forward to talking to you, Anthony. Have a great day.